If you want a professional email address for your website, one of the easiest ways to do it is by setting up a Hostinger email account. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Hostinger email step by step so you can create your mailbox, log into Webmail, and start using your custom email address in just a few minutes. This is great for business emails, brand communication, and making your website look much more professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the email section. Hostinger keeps all of your email tools in one place, so this is where you'll create and manage your mailbox. After you click emails, you should see an option that says create email account. Go ahead and click that. Now Hostinger will ask you to set up the new email account details. In the email name field, type the name you want before the @ symbol. For example, you could use info, support, hello, or your own name if you're creating a personal business email. Next, create a strong password for the account. Make sure it's something secure and easy for you to remember because you'll need this password to sign in later. Once everything looks good, click Create. Hostinger will now generate your new email account. After the account is created, the next step is to access it. To do that, go back to emails and look for the Open Webmail option. Click on Open Webmail and you'll be taken to the email login screen. Here, enter the full email address you just created along with the password you set a moment ago. Then sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll be inside your Hostinger webmail inbox and ready to send and receive messages. At this point, your custom Hostinger email is fully set up and working. You can now use it for your website, contact form, customer support, professional outreach, or anything else you need. If you want, you can also repeat the same process to create additional email accounts for different parts of your business or team. One quick tip before you finish, always double check the spelling of your email name before clicking create because that becomes part of your actual email address. And also make sure you store your password somewhere safe so you don't get locked out later. So that's how you set up Hostinger email from start to finish. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.